Hey guys, it is your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me today. For all of my new watchers and subscribers, welcome. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video below. This is the look that we will be achieving today. It is definitely fall. It's mid-September right now. So I wanted to go ahead and maybe try to get a fall inspired look. It's a simple look, but it pulled together nicely. I have my little flannel on, indicating the season that it is right now. Yeah. So if you are interested in achieving this look, definitely stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so I washed my hair yesterday and I hadn't done a twist out in a long time, so I wanted to see how that turned out, and I'll probably take this down at the end of the video. But yeah, that's why I'm looking like Pippi Longstocking in this video. But my skin still looks good, so who cares? We're gonna start off, with my base primer. It's the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Skin Face Base. And even though this is like a vitamin face base, is also a primer. But don't skip those steps after you have cleaned your face. Definitely moisturize, prep your skin, and get ready for makeup. Like that, you don't skip that part. And just go in with whatever face base primer that you want. I use Bobbi Brown. I've also used Tatcha, love Tatcha. Also Smashbox. Don't use Milk of Magnesia. And step into this new 2021, because 2020, is a wrap. So after that, I'm going to go in with my MAC Strobe Cream. You don't have to sacrifice dewy skin for the fall, okay? I still like a good glow. I do. I'm going to go in right around the areas where I normally get oily and just apply a little bit of translucent powder, which is normally around my nose, my cheeks. And then I'm going to go in and fill in my brows with my Gerard Cosmetics Brow Bar to Go. Now, football season has kicked in, so I'm like, I gotta get this video done before kickoff. Anybody else a football fan? Leave the comments in below. Who your team? Who your team? I'm from Atlanta. I don't care what y'all say. You know what it is. Bird game. All day. No matter what. If you're a fan, you a fan. Don't be fair weather. Gonna go in with a little bit of brow gel, tinted brow gel. Now I'm gonna go in and clean up under the brows with a little bit of cream foundation. I know I'm not a fan of this super highlighted look. And you can always use that as an eyeshadow base. I don't like my brows to be shiny, so I go in with a translucent powder to take that shine away. Alright, for eyeshadow, we're going to go in with the Morphe 39A palette. This brown right here. We're going to keep it simple today. It's going to be a brown smoky eye. We're starting off with a warm brown. And we're going from the outer all the way up to the tip of the brow. Top. What you don't want to do is come above that crease right there, you want to still be able to see a little bit of that brow highlight. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M433 brush. Now for a bigger payoff, go ahead and stamp it into the eye. And then you can always blend that out around the edges to soften it. So now that we have the brown set in place, we're going to go in the same palette and that gold color. We're just going to place that a little bit onto the mobile eye or the mobile lid, and I'm doing that using my finger. I just wanted to give like a little reflection, nothing major, just a little reflection. From here, I'm going to go in with some gel eyeliner. I'm using the L.A.Girl Gel 722 Very Black. So I start off normally in the middle of the eye because I want a gradual thickness towards the end. So we have the liner on and it's going to pop on some lashes. I'm going to go in with some of my favorites. These are the M71 by Miss 3D Volume Lash, M371. And when I pop my lashes on, I definitely make sure I have a mirror under me so that I could see exactly where I am placing the lash. First of all, you want to make sure your glue is tacky. And I hit it right in the center first and then tack down the sides. Just like so. I love the dramatics of this lash. It's not a extremely long lash, but it has this little wispy hairs and it definitely angles out towards the end to give the eye more of a slanted forward look at the ends. And people, don't get discouraged when you're putting on lashes. Some days are easier than others. I definitely have my good and bad days. Some days it's not even you, it's the lash. Don't take it personal. Hey guys, so here it looks like my camera stopped, so I just wanted to let you know I followed up with my usual face routine, the staple, you know, going in with my Juvia's Place and my Morphe concealers. Use one to highlight under the eyes and use one as my actual color. And I'm just blending that in with a camouflage beauty blender. Here I am setting under the eyes with the Makeup Forever Ever Matte Powder. And I am going in to smoke out that bottom lash line with the browns that I used earlier. So for the lips, we are going to go in with two colors. We're going to use the Too Faced Melted Matte in the color Drop Dead Red, pretty much as a liner. And then we're going to go in with the Beauty Bakerie Cranberry Stiletto Lip Whip. All right, guys, from here you definitely want to set your face. Make sure everything is blended in well. Going back over once over with my beauty blender or my e.l.f. camo sponge that I love. And now with my Morphe setting. You want to make sure you set that face and give it a once over with your sponge. Make sure everything's in place. Now we are going to go ahead and get my Sealy line, my little Sealy plaits. Throw it oil on my hands. And I'm hoping it's dry. I don't feel like it. Because I worked out today. And this morning and my hair got wet again. The coils look very pretty. Oh yeah, she wet. Ooh, she wet. I'm gonna let this dry. So I think I'm gonna come back after I have sit up under the hair dryer for a couple minutes to kind of let this dry so I can pick it out. I don't want to pick it out prematurely because it's gonna spaz out. It's gonna spaz out. All right, y'all. So I am back. I sat up under the hair dryer for a bit, and it is completely dry. It's halftime right now in the game, so I'm gonna try to do this real quick. Again, put oil on my hair. So I'm gonna separate them just a bit, not too much, because I want it to last longer than I expect it to last. And with my hair, and the way I work out, it's not long, but be gentle when I'm separating it, not to disturb the curls. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for being so patient and waiting along with me. I guess it seems longer in real life than it really does in this video, but definitely had to wait for my hair to dry before I was able to pick it out. And I guess just pull the whole look together for the outro. So again, thank you for watching. Make sure you leave your comments and your questions below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you are always aware of when a new video is uploaded. And until next time, bye.